My name's Mark Head. I'm an internist with Norton Clark. I'm a primary care provider. I provide health maintenance, diagnostic interventions, and general medical care to adults. I look at my role as the quarterback of your medical team. I oversee your day-to-day medical care on a routine basis, and I'm involved in coordinating with your specialists all aspects of your health care. Pretty much we sit down and we have a conversation to get to know one another. I try to get to know my patient, and I try to get them to know me. I try to share a little bit about myself with them and offer them an opportunity to ask me any question they want. I am a Louisville native. I grew up locally and attended the University of Louisville Medical School and did my residency training at the University of Louisville.